Unlock the secrets to seriously profitable e-commerce sales funnels. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, helping serious entrepreneurs like you to boost sales to your products and services online using simple but super effective online marketing tips and tricks. If you are a serious entrepreneur, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and click that bell notification button as well, so you never miss a tip that could help you to boost your online earnings. In this video, I'm speaking about how you can create really profitable sales funnels for your e-commerce website. So regardless of what you're selling on your website, there can be sales funnels that you put in place to really help you to kind of generate new customers. Now, there's something that I really want to speak about before I go into the sales funnel, and that is your lifetime value of your customers. So what does one customer actually mean to you in terms of finances? If you get one customer through the door, how much money can you make from that customer? Now, I know it sounds a little bit kind of like, wait, how much money can I make from that customer? But how much value can you provide to that person? Is there additional products you can offer to that person, or is it just one product that you're going to offer to them? Can you provide additional value to that person so that you can continually give them products that they are interested in, and they can also help to feed your business as well? So when you really understand what the lifetime value of a customer is, then you can actually make your e-commerce sales funnels a lot more profitable. So for example, if you're just going for a one-off sale, let's say for example you sell trainers on your website and you're just trying to sell one pair of trainers to one person, and that person never comes back to your website again, then that can cost you a lot of money because it's really expensive to acquire a new customer. But it's a lot more profitable to actually find someone who is a long-serving customer. So someone who maybe buys a trainer once and then you sell them something else. Maybe they want some shoelaces that you also have on your website. Maybe you have some socks. When you have maybe some new releases of trainers, you want to retain their information so that you can send them those new releases as well. Maybe you can cross-sell them some similar price trainers too. So you want to make sure that you're not just generating new customers all the time, but you're actually retaining your customers as well. And we're going to be speaking about that in this video. Now, the very first e-commerce sales funnel that I wanted to draw your attention to is kind of really good for paid traffic. You can use it for free traffic as well, but it's really good for paid traffic. And it starts off by sending traffic to your best selling product. So whatever product it is on your website that you think, yeah, this is my best selling product, or maybe you've already have some sales history and you know that this is a popular item, this is a best selling product on my website, this is doing really well. You want to get that product in front of your prospects as kind of the entry point to your business. So let's say, for example, you're planning on running ads on Facebook or on Instagram, then that would be the product that you put towards your customer. So when you're creating your sales video, or when you're creating your Google pay-per-click advert, or whatever it is, you want to be advertising that product and really kind of define who your audience is. You know, I speak about creating ads on this channel, so I'll leave a few of those videos in the description down below, and I'll also be doing future videos on creating ads as well. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss when those videos go live. But essentially, you want to make sure that you create a really captivating ad around that best-selling product. That will be kind of the very first top of the funnel, the very first thing in your funnel. And then after that, the people who click on that particular product, so that particular product page, but they don't buy, you can add those people to your retargeting list. Now, if you're doing Facebook or Instagram marketing, then you should have a pixel on your website when you're performing those particular Facebook ads so that you can remarket to people who visit a particular page. So maybe they visit the page, but they don't make a purchase. And I'm going to be doing more videos on pixel retargeting, but I do have a couple on Instagram marketing, so I'll leave those again in the description as well. But you should have some sort of pixel on your website when you're actually performing your Facebook or Instagram ads. And you can also have a Google pixel retargeting as well. And I'm going to be doing future videos on how to install that on your website. But you should have Google retargeting as well if you're doing pay-per-click ads, so that you can actually remarket to people who click on your best-selling product but don't become a customer the very first time they click, which will probably be the vast majority of your clicks. You might have people who visit your page and actually buy the very first time that they see that offer, and you can actually create a buyers list. So you want to make sure that the people who buy after seeing your best-selling product, you actually retain their name and email address, and they're put into your remarketing campaign via email marketing. So you can now email these prospects. Not only can you email them, but you can actually create remarketing lists as well within Facebook and Instagram and other paid platforms as well. So you can actually have an advertisement specifically to your buyers, so specifically to people who have bought. So if you have a buyer's email list, you can upload that email list to the whatever ad platform you're trying to kind of advertise on, and you can send a specific message to these buyers saying, hey, you bought these trainers, do you want to buy the upsell? And this is kind of the next stage of the funnel for the people who do buy as well, is when they buy, make sure you have some sort of some sort of carousel of products that says people who bought this also bought. Now you can actually, if you're doing WordPress, then you can add a plugin that kind of allows people to kind of see what popular products or what products complement the product they're about to buy, so that they can add that to their shopping cart as well, and increase your kind of order value as well when someone is about to order from you. That's a really great tool that you might want to utilize. If you're using Shopify, then go into the App Store and you can find apps like this as well, whereby people can see similar products to the ones they're about to buy, or products that complement the ones they're about to buy. So you can kind of increase your average order value and make sure that people leave with as much of the products that they need as possible, so that you can make the most out of your advertisement campaigns. So I'll leave links in the description down below to apps and plugins that I found, depending on what web platform you're using, that will kind of encourage people to add additional products to their cart. So people who do buy, you put them on a buyer's list, and you make sure that you cross-sell to them via email marketing and retargeting campaigns. And you can also upsell them the second they make their purchase as well. You might want to send them to an upsell page, or send them to a catalog specific to maybe the products that they bought that complement the product that they bought. And you have them on your email list now. So you want to really keep them as warm leads on your email list, as people who you can target to. Maybe there's a specific time of the year. If it's Christmas, you might have a Christmas discount you can send to your buyers list and generate more income and more sales from them. You can send them maybe a New Year's discount as well if you're having on your website, and send them information as well that might be valuable to them, so that they're more likely to actually follow you on social media as well. If you have maybe an Instagram account or a YouTube account, then they can subscribe to you and follow you there, so you stay top of the mind with regards to when they're ready to make a purchase, they think of your brand because they've been kind of engaged with your content as well. And the people who haven't bought yet, so the people who've clicked on your product but they haven't made a purchase yet, and they're on your pixel retargeting list, you might want to actually retarget them a 10% coupon code. So rather than just sending them back to your sales page again and again and again, maybe they didn't want that, but maybe you can give them a 10% off or a 30% off, or whatever works for you. You might want to test this, but whatever works for you, send them to a retargeting campaign to a discount where they have to enter their name and email address to receive the discount, which puts them as prospects who are leads who could potentially convert and become one of your buyers later on down the line. This is one of the reasons why I stress the importance of email marketing on my channel. It's super important for an effective e-commerce sales funnel strategy. I'll leave links in the description down below to Aweber. Now that is personally the email marketing software that I use and highly recommend. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description down below, as well as some of my videos on email marketing as well that might help you out. Now, my second funnel that I wanted to speak about is a lot simpler, and that is just sending people directly to your 10% discount or 20% discount, or however much of a percentage discount you want to give people, you can literally send people directly to that opt-in page where you just ask for the name and the email address, or maybe even just the email address, so that you can send them a 10% discount off of whatever it is, whether it's sports gear, trainers, or whatever it is that you offer on your website. That might be your whole campaign. So you can test and see which campaign converts and works better for you. But essentially, you want to make sure that you're sending your traffic to an opt-in page, which gives them the ability to leave their name and email address. And as soon as they opt in and enter their name and email address, you should be sending them to a product page where they can make the purchase of the product and enter their code and actually get the percentage off. And even if you're not necessarily breaking even on your campaigns, when someone is seeing your advert on Instagram or on Facebook or on Google, if you're paying more to acquire a new customer, you want to make sure that you're cross-selling again and upselling and remarketing. So using your remarketing lists again, so the people who come to that particular opt-in page through your ads but don't buy, they will be on your remarketing lists. So you can use your retargeting pixel in a similar way and retarget to them again. And the people who do opt in, you can send them emails. So the people who opt in but maybe they have the 10% discount but they don't use it, make sure you give them a time frame to use your discount. So if they have like a 7-day time frame or a 10-day time frame, then it creates urgency within your campaign. So this goes for the first sales funnel as well as the second sales funnel. You want to make sure that you create a time frame for them to use that discount code, so it gives them the urgency to actually go and use it, and they're more likely to actually make the purchase. So the first sales funnel is kind of about separating your buyers from your remarketing list. So people who are actually going to kind of really buy the first time they see the offer, or the second or the third time, and establishing your buyers from your leads to the people who are on your pixel retargeting list. And the second sales funnel is more to do with kind of lead generation for your e-commerce business. So hopefully you can see really the importance of remarketing via email, but also via pixel retargeting as well, and how effective it can be and how important it is as well to really be doing that. And when you do have people on your email list, don't just send them to your website, but also send them to your social media profiles. Make sure you're creating valuable content on the internet using social media, because that's a way for you to kind of have another additional touch point. I speak about touch points on this YouTube channel as well, and that's another place for people to kind of find you online, discover you online, but also for you to send useful content to those who are already on your marketing lists. And that can really help to build your trustworthiness in their eyes, and they're more likely to make a purchase if they know and trust you. So I really hope that this video has brought you value. I definitely recommend that you also download my formula. It's the free guide to generating leads and sales online. A copy of it is behind me. I'll also leave a link to it in the description down below as well, and it should be somewhere on this screen. Make sure you go and grab your free copy. That's going to teach you the absolute fundamentals to driving leads and sales to your products online. But I really do hope that this video brought you value, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, download the formula, and I will see you soon.